Sige po, attorney, i-share yung maging verdict and ano yung tingin ng lawyers dito.
Yung sa case ni Frenchie and Mariel, they were acquitted doon sa criminal cases ng illegal possession of firearms and explosives. However, they were found guilty doon sa financing terrorism. Well, it's not something that we expected, syempre, because considering doon sa tinakbo noong kaso. However, we understand pa rin naman na it is still really, terror financing still really the weapon of choice when it comes to prosecuting or even silencing dissent, especially for journalists, community journalists like Frenchie May Cumpio and lay worker Mariel Dumiguel. At the moment, as you've heard siguro kung sino man yung nandun sa court kanina, we've already manifested our intention to file a motion na mag-grant sila and to allow them to post bail, considering naman talaga na yung financing terrorism is a non-bailable offense. And we've manifested early on kanina din na when this information was filed before the Regional Trial Court dito sa Tacloban, there was no recommendation ng bail from the prosecution na nag-file ng case sa kanya. But nonetheless, we've already manifested our intention na sana i-allow ni Judge yung pag-post ng bail pending appeal. Especially considering na acquitted sila doon sa illegal possession of explosives, which was the non-bailable offense. So that is our next step. And apart from that, of course, we will pursue all legal remedies doon sa conviction sa terror financing. We will file our motion for reconsideration within 15 days and we'll see how it goes from there. Siyempre, medyo mabigat pa siya ngayon, lalo't nakakagulat din naman talaga yung naging resolution ng court.
No bail?
Sa ngayon po kasi, since sa rules kasi natin, once you are convicted before the Regional Trial Court, even if it is for a bailable offense, yung bail mo is a matter of discretion ng judge. So, kailangan natin manghingi kay judge ng permiso na makapag-post ng bail si Frenchie habang umaapila siya or magpa-file siya ng motion for reconsideration.
Thank you, Attorney.
Thank you, Attorney.